Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add shapes in Miro. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to miro.com. Over here, click on the login button at the top right corner. After that, sign in using your email or Google account. Then click on continue with email and go to your Miro dashboard. Over here, click on the board where you want to add shapes. After that, look at the left side of the screen and click the shapes and lines icon. Then select a shape you want to use. Over here, drag it onto the board. After that, repeat the same process to add more shapes. Then click on a shape and use the blue dot to drag and connect it to another shape. Over here, if you want to duplicate a shape, click on the three dots above the shape. After that, click on duplicate and drag the copy to your board. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.